How to redirect subdomain to an external URL. Let's learn how to redirect a subdomain. Click Subdomains. Scroll down to the section Modify a subdomain. Here is the list of all the subdomains. Click the Manage Redirection button on that particular row of the subdomain which you want to redirect. Enter the link to which you want the visitors to be redirected. Then click the Save button. That's it. We have successfully redirected the subdomain to a different link. Now click Go Back. Notice that the subdomain is now redirected to the entered URL. Thank you for watching.